css.lint.compatibleVendorPrefixes. So this is when using a vendor specific prefix, make sure to also include all other vendor specific properties. So let me give you an example. We have, so this is set to ignore now. So let's set it to error. And we have the transition property here. And if we delete one or more, if we delete all of them, it won't tell you anything. But if you don't have them all, it will say always include all vendor specific properties. In this case, it's missing the WebKit transition property, right? And it does that with if you have at least one, right? And it will tell you you're missing 3 of them, right? So now the question is, this is very useful, but the question is, should you set it as an error or a warning? And the way I see it, it's like this. If you're using vendor prefixes, it's because the CSS property that you're using is not yet well defined within the spec. So using just one vendor prefix, it's probably an error. So I would set this as an error.